Greetings fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a kit from Emil Zarkov. Now this is the OV10A Bronco. As you can see, again, I have reduced the scale to 1/72. Now I do this because of limited space that I have at home and I want to produce many models as possible. So you can see the stabilizer section for it, fuselage, there you have, and then the wing. Now this was researched and looked on and made sure to be as accurate as possible to the real Bronco that exists with this paint scheme. And here we have spare, because of course I will make mistakes. What I love about it is that here, these are for the canopy. When you do the canopy, it makes for a more accurate shape. And these are the reinforced structure. So we just simply use another cardstock to put underneath to reinforce it. Wingtip spares. And you can look up the model. You can probably type in Google OV10A Bronco 55483 tail number and you should see the same pattern. Now this is a personal repaint and a personal copy for me. This is not available to be sold or distributed otherwise. You can go to his website, link will be in the description. So this kit is from 2003, as you can see. And here we're talking about the canopy here. And like I was saying, these here will be used to brace it to give it that accurate shape. Okay. And of course, the spinner, the prop, landing gear. Awesome. Seat, ejection seat, control stick, ejection cord, seat belts, internal cockpit section, and of course now the instructions. And as you can see, it shows you quite detailed how to put it together. You have the framework, then the canopy, then it goes into putting in the base for the seating, the control areas, the ejection seats. It shows you putting the control column, canopy, the box structure to take the wing. He showed you the framework, which I told you I will double using another 160 gram sheet to double it, because at this scale I don't need anything thicker. And then you have the tail fin, the framework for it, stabilizer, the wing, the main wheel. You have the prop section, the spinner, and just a basic part list of what it is and what it looked like when it's completed. It's going to be a beautiful model. This is one of those that I want to tackle as soon as possible. It is really a nice looking model. So that will be it for now. Take care. Enjoy yourself, everybody, and I will again leave a description in the link so you can see it. So then, my friends, take care, walk good, and above all, one love.